gonna shower tomorrow, okay? Ang daming pupunta this coming summer. Come here, Remy. Come here. Hi. Ninakaw mo na naman yung tok ni Daddy. Ha? Gimme. Gimme that. See, nagagalit siya. I have treat. You want some treat? Kinuha na naman yung tok. Lalabas nga pala ako, guys, kasi kailangan picturean ko yung ownership ng sasakyan kasi nag-email na naman yung anong tawag ito? Yung adjuster. Kailangan daw isend sa kanila yung ownership. Pababa ako. And pipicturean ko lang. Nagluto ako ng adobo for tomorrow's dinner kasi mag-grocery ako. Kakain tayo ng dessert. Ang ating dessert is pecan tart. Remy, down. How's your studying?
Hard.
Review ko lang dyan.
Yeah.
Okay?
This.
Wow, that's too much. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Right, Remy?
You forgot to give him a snack.
Oh, yeah.
What tweet?
Okay. Gonna give him tweet.
Tweet?
Tweet. Ako din. May tweet din ako. So, bago natin bigyan si Remy ng tweet, pahirapan muna natin siya. Siyempre. Siyempre, hindi ko maabot kasi mataas. Can you open that way, please? It's so hard to open. Remy, down. Down, Remy.
Hey, no. 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 Okay.
Sit.
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 Stay. Stay. No, you sit. You stay. You stay. No. You're not supposed to lie down. The moment you put these away. You stay. Stay.
No. Stay. Stay there.
You sit and stay. Stay.
Let's see kung mahaba ang patience niya.
You stay. Good boy, you stay. Yeah, good boy.
10 more seconds.
You're being a good boy. Yeah, you stay. No, you stay. I know you're thinking about it. You stay. You stay, okay? Just a few more seconds. You're doing good. Okay? A few more seconds. 5. No, hey!
Set! Na-scam na naman tayo ni Remy. Madaya si Remy. Gandang hapon, guys. Kakatapos ko lang sa work. And sobrang init, guys. Positive 18 and very sunny. Naka-t-shirt lang ako. So, yan. Pero next week, guys, mag-snow. Not sure kung tuloy yun. Forecast lang naman. So, ngayon, dediretso ko sa Walmart kasi Tuesday ngayon. Meron tayong discount day. So, mag-grocery tayo. Sana hindi traffic. Ang dami kasing construction. Ganitong spring, summer. Madaming ginagawa sa road. Lalo dito sa may highway, sa Deerfoot.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my
Thursday and tomorrow is Good Friday. Ipasok pa rin ako tomorrow kasi naka-schedule ako. Nawala sa isip ko Good Friday, sana pala hindi na lang ako nagpabook. Siya nga pala guys, may share ako sa inyo. Kahapon dumaan siya sa feed ko sa Facebook kasi kahapon ni-launch yung online for reservation sa kasi nag-search ako Lake Louise to Banff or Banff, Lake Louise to Moraine Lake. At kahapon ni-launch at 8 AM. After 1 hour fully booked na, as in ang nag-apply daw is almost 30,000 online. Biruin niyo yun guys, ang daming pupunta this coming summer dito sa Banff, fully booked kasi yung family ni Mikey pupunta dito, magbabakasyon sila ng 1 week. So yun, itinatry namin itinatry ko kahapon mag book online. Puno na siya guys. So ang open na lang guys, alam nyo kung anong month? August and September. Kasi September na lang yata yung parting second week October. Hanggang doon na lang naka-open yung Banff. Isipin nyo guys kung gaano kadami pupunta dito sa Banff this coming summer. Kasi nga diba madaming na-cancel yung travel going to US. Siguro dito na lang nila planong pumasyal. Kaya yun, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. Magda-drive kami kasi kapag nagdala ka ng sasakyan, mahirap. Wala ka rin mapaparkingan. So, ang plano namin, dalhin na lang sila sa ibang lake. Total, marami namang lake na pupuntahan. Aside sa Lake Louise, sa Moraine Lake, meron pa rin yung mga katabing lake. Or sa BC. Yeah, we'll see. Tingnan nyo guys kung paano magsayo si Remy. Okay, let's dance! 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 Dance!
the last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories
Chicken.